Today we are going to explore the Replit agent and how you can use it to make coding faster, easier, and more powerful. If you have ever used Replit before, you already know it is an online coding platform that lets you build projects right in your browser. But now, with the new Replit agent feature, you can do even more. You can talk to an AI that writes code fixes, errors, and even builds full apps for you. The Replit agent is like having your own AI coding partner. It helps you write code, understand errors, and finish projects without switching between tools. You do not need to copy code from the internet or spend hours debugging because the agent helps you right inside the editor. When you open Replit, you will see a small agent button on the right side of your screen. Clicking it will open a chat panel. This is where you can type your commands or questions. You can ask the agent to write code, explain something, or even create a new file for you. For example, you can type, create a Python script that calculates the area of a circle, and the agent will generate it instantly. The great thing about Replit Agent is that it understands context. It knows what project you are working on and what code is already in your file. So if you ask it to add a new function or fix a bug, it will check your current code before giving suggestions. This makes it smarter and more reliable than regular AI chatbots. Now let us walk through how to use it, step by step. First, open your Replit account and create a new project. Choose your programming language like Python, JavaScript, or HTML. Once your project loads, click on the Replit agent icon. This will open the chat window where you can start typing your prompts. You can say something simple like, write a Hello World program, and the agent will instantly create that code in your editor. You can also ask it to explain what the code does. The agent will reply in plain text, making it perfect for beginners who are still learning programming concepts. Next, you can ask the agent to build something more advanced. Let us say you want to make a simple to-do list app. You can type, create a to-do list app in Python using a list to store tasks, and it will generate the code for you. Once it finishes, you can even ask it to add new features like add a way to delete a task or make it save the list to a file, and the agent will handle that automatically. You can also use the agent to debug your code. If you have an error, just type explain this error or fix the bug in my code, and it will tell you what went wrong and show you the corrected version. This feature is extremely useful when you are working on large projects and do not want to waste time searching for small mistakes. The Replit agent can also help you learn new concepts. If you are not sure how something works like loops or functions, you can ask the agent to explain it in simple terms. It is like having a built-in tutor right beside your code editor. You can learn while you build, which makes Replit great for students and beginners. Another cool feature is that the agent can manage files for you. You can say create a new file called index.html or rename my file to main.py, and it will do it automatically. You do not have to leave the chat or navigate through menus. Everything happens in one place. The Replit agent is also great for collaboration. If you are working with friends or classmates, you can share your Replit project link and everyone can see the changes in real time. The agent works for everyone in the shared workspace, so your whole team can use it to generate or fix code together. Now let us talk about why people love using Replit. Agent, it saves time because you no longer have to type every line of code manually. It helps you avoid mistakes because it reviews your code for you. And it improves your learning because you can ask questions about programming anytime without leaving your project. The more you use Replit Agent, the more you realize how much easier coding becomes. You can start with an idea and end up with a working program in minutes. Whether you are building a website, a game, or a simple app, the agent is always there to guide you, step by step. Once you are done building your project, you can press the Run button to test your code. If you need help debugging or improving it, just ask the agent to optimize your code, and it will rewrite parts of it to make it cleaner and faster. So to recap, the Replit agent is a built-in AI assistant that helps you code, learn, and debug inside Replit. You can create new files, write code, explain errors, and even build full apps without leaving your browser. It is simple, fast, and designed to make coding accessible for everyone. If you have never tried it before, log into Replit, start a new project, and click the agent icon. Type your first prompt and watch how easily it turns your ideas into working code. This is the future of programming, and it is happening right inside Replit. And before we end this tutorial, if you are someone who wants to build not just code but complete websites without touching any programming, then you might want to check out Base 44. It is an AI website builder that lets you create full sites by simply describing what you want. You can say create a portfolio website with home about and contact sections, and it will design the whole site automatically. Base 44 focuses on building creative websites fast, while Replit helps you focus on coding projects together. They make a powerful combination for any creator. So if you want to build apps, use Replit, and if you want to turn your ideas into websites, try Base 44. Both tools will help you bring your projects to life faster than ever before.